Pakistani shirt, I need to cover.
Yes, please.
And who you are?
I work for Lancashire, fencing.
And can you
I've been asked by control, by Lancashire.
Can you give me any written?
Yeah, so if you want, you can email the club.
No.
And then they will give you a
I need, because I paid the ticket.
Okay. So
I need your request or your order in the written format.
before you comply.
Yeah.
Okay.
अभी मुझे इन्होंने कहा है कि ये पाकिस्तानी शर्ट जो है इन्होंने ऊपर कवर करके रखे, तो मैंने कहा कि ये मुझे लिख के भेजें.
He may be considered antagonistic, so we've asked you to put your coat on.
No. Why? This is my proud country. Why
I'm
are you
not
covering
saying
this?
it's not.
Why are you covering this like everybody's representing their country?
Okay, do you need to have a talk outside?
No. I'm sitting. No. Take me with the force if you can. You take me, because everybody will record. Every media will record this. Carry on recording, please. And they are taking me out without any reason, without any harm given to any person.
Why are you screaming?
What? So it's a small thing, you know.
It'd be very nice.
Do you know? It's a very small thing.
There's some regulations.
So I'm sitting here.
It's ground regulations.
Excuse me.
Hello, you okay? What's going on?
I have paid the ticket.
Yep.
No Indian crowd have complained about me. I'm just watching the cricket match. I represent my country.
I understand that. Can we have a conversation outside of this crowd in a quieter area where it's just a bit
So
easier
what
to
is
have
a big issue?
conversation?
Is a big issue.
I'm not making a big issue. I'm asking you, can we go outside
So match
the
is starting 10 minutes
I
now.
understand, so we've got 10 minutes to have a chat.
Okay.
So let's go.
हाँ जी, जनाब अली ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड ग्राउंड में ये देखिए पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट है और मैच है आज इंग्लैंड और इंडिया का. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है क्राउड के अंदर ही. ओनली मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. जो ये देखें
By control, if you can cover that shirt over, please.
Pakistani shirt, I need to cover.
Yes, please.
And who you are?
I work for Lancashire, fencing.
And can you
I've been asked by control, by Lancashire.
Can you give me any written?
Yeah, so if you want, you can email the club.
No.
And then they will give you a
I need, because I paid the ticket.
Okay. So
I need your request or your order in the written format.
before you comply.
Yeah.
Okay.
अभी मुझे इन्होंने कहा है कि ये पाकिस्तानी शर्ट जो है